Hello, how are you? Welcome. It's Ilian from Ilian's Income Building System. I know it has been a while, but I am back and I plan on being more consistent. All right. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to this channel, welcome to you. I hope you will subscribe. And if you decide to subscribe, just click the notification bell so that you will be notified and you won't be late to the information. And click the like button. Thank you. All right. So I hope you're having a wonderful summer. If it's summer where you are, I hope you're having a great time with your family. I love the summertime. I rather dealing with the hot weather than the cold weather. I'm in America and the cold weather is not my friend. So I am loving the summertime. All right. So I hope all is well with you and your family. So the job opportunity that I have for you today, it's to work with the company called Wayfair, and it is to do remote customer service job, and it is part-time and it's working from home. And it says that as an associate, so you will be a service associate, that's the job title. As a service associate, you will demonstrate reliability, attendance, and commitment. You will handle a high volume of contacts. You will meet our high performance bar, engage with customers. You will listen actively to them and show empathy. You will de-escalate customer concerns. You will solve problems and multitask. And if it's something that you can't solve, then you should escalate it to higher management. And the hourly pay is $15.60 per hour. And they have a quarterly performance bonus and also a referral bonus, $500 per eligible referral. Wow. And for their benefits, they offer 401k with company match up to 4%, paid time off, and this starts occurring immediately after you start. You have 7 paid federal holidays and 1 floating holiday. You have paid and unpaid parental leave options, which is good, right? So you're working from home, but at the same time, you still have parental leave options. That's great. You can be eligible for tuition reimbursement up to $5,000. You will also get a Wayfair employee discount. And for their requirements, they want you to be able to work at least 1 weekend. And you must be 18 years or older. You must have a high school diploma or GED or an equivalent. You will be required to hardwire your computer to put the computer together, okay? And you will be required to have a private dedicated workspace where there are not a lot of distractions and noise. So your workspace should be in a room or an area where there are not a lot of background noise and distractions, all right? And they want you to have a knowledge of working with Windows operating system. And then they said, why Wayfair customer service? So why should you work for them? At Wayfair, we care about our customers, whether it's over the phone or through chat or email. This fast-paced environment allows us to provide solutions and ensure a seamless delivery experience wherever our customers feel most comfortable. We empower our employees and we empower our award-winning customer service team to balance technology and human empathy. We would like our customer service representative to have trust and loyalty. We'll provide the training tools and equipment. All you need is a love for problem solving and a dedication to a phenomenal customer experience. A little about Wayfair. Wayfair is one of the world's largest online destinations. Wayfair now offers over 22 million products across 5 distinct brands. Wayfair is driven by a world-class team with the future always in mind. We are constantly striving to help everyone anywhere and work to help people create and decorate spaces that feel like home. We do not discriminate on the basis of race, color, ethnicity, ancestry, religion, or sex. And they have assistance for individuals with disabilities. WAYFAIR is fully committed to providing equal opportunities for all individuals, including individuals with disabilities. As part of this commitment, WAYFAIR will make reasonable accommodations to the known physical or mental limitations of qualified individuals. So that is the job, okay? And they said it's not just about taking another phone call. This is about empowering our customers to create spaces reflecting who they are and what they need and also their value. So they're all about great customer service and also teamwork and making the customers happy and feel valuable. And they want you to have empathy. They want you to let the customers feel like you are trustworthy and also loyalty to them, okay? And they will provide you with the tools and the training to do the job. And so that is it, to work for WAYFAIR. And so I will have the link to apply for the job in the description section. And also I have an online store. I will have that link as well. I also offer ebooks on different businesses and yeah, so much more. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Have a blessed one. Continue to enjoy your family. Continue to trust. And I know some of you may be applying for a very long